So let's discuss Glory. Now, Glory is a kind of difficult dragon to sculpt because she has so many colors. So, what I'm going to do is just sort of pull out the colors that I think would be the most, sensible, but you can come up with whatever version of glory or colors that you think that yours would be. I mean, color shifting, things like that. We just don't know. So, I've pulled out lots of different tones. I have three different kind of tealish blues. I want to use a medium one for the main body. I want to use a lighter one for the belly area. And I want to use a darker teal color for like around the eye area. And then I want to use like a blue in there also on the head. I want to get some of that in there. Now, for the frills, I'm going to use some orange and some yellow. So I'm going to sort of blend those together. And also for the wings. Now, for like the spikes down the back, I'm going to use a sort of a fuchsia color because that's what it looks like to me. She's just very beautiful and colorful. And I'm going to use a dark brown for the horns. So, her eyes are green, so I am going to see if I have a green that will show up, and if not, I'll just use green clay. So what do we know about Glory? Well, she's a female rainwing. She is the main character of the Hidden Kingdom book. Now, she was formerly a dragonette of destiny, and she was also partially responsible for the end of the War of Sandwing Succession. Um, and also, I believe, the founding of Jade Mountain Academy. So she's kind of an important character. So now the thing is, it's tricky because after the events of the Nightwing Exodus that happened, Glory became queen of both Nightwing and Rainwing tribes. So, so that's kind of so she's both, queen of both. Um, so she is described as having green eyes and very brilliant color changing scales. So that's why so many colors, because you just don't know depending on the shift of the light. Let's see what else. What else? She has like feathery kind of well, I'm calling them kind of like frill or fins on the sides of her head. Um, you know, so that's what I'm going to call them. I don't really know what they would be, but that's what they look like to me. Um, she has kind of like a longer, delicate snout and sort of elegant, not very bulky. So so that's basically where we're at with Glory's details. Um, so now for a little extra bit of information, unlike most of the rain wings that are very colorful, Glory tries to keep her scales from showing her emotions. So when they show their emotions, they kind of start to turn colors and things like that. So she tries to keep it kind of down on the down low. So you know, we just want to either make her more muted or make her very colorful. It's up to you. So that's it. If we want to, um, Glory has a little friend sloth, so we can always add a little sloth. Maybe she wants to hold it or something like that. The sloth's name, I believe, is Silver. So if we want to do that, we can. But that's what we'll need, and let's just get started because she's a whole lot of work.